Merry, smelly best. No. Many, many best. Many, smelly best. Many, smelly best. I wanna way. Merry, many best. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas for the bottle of my soul. This is to wish you, family and friends, every loved one all over the world, a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. The coming year 2021 is gonna be the best of the best year to you. I just have to wish you this at one shout out from the bottom of my heart that coming year you're not gonna regret it. Blessing all the way, blessing in everything you lay your hand upon. This coming new year is gonna be the best and the best ever. Shout out to you all, Yemi Ayangalo, fans all over the world, America, Asia, Nigeria, wherever you are. I miss you all. I love you all. I want to tell you this coming year is gonna be the best of the best new year. I wish you a very, very, very merry best new year and happy new year.